Hi everyone, it's just a test. I want to make sure that you can hear me well and see the screen, so please let me know if everything okay via our YouTube chat. So I will wait for your replies. Thank you. Okay guys, so I have got a message from my colleague that she hear me and she can see the screen. So let's start, and I would like to introduce myself. My name is Valerie and I'm a support manager at Stripo. So guys, it would be great to know how are you doing today and what countries are you from. So for example, let me start. So I'm excellent today because we have a webinar with you guys, and our Stripe company is registered in USA and our physical team is located in Ukraine. So please type your comments, your messages via our chat. Besides, it would be nice if you write us with your suggestions, feedbacks, proposals, how we can improve our editor, because we are open for your proposal. So you can write us via our online chat here, or you can mail us by our support at stripe.email. Yeah, so please just let me know. Okay, so today we are going to talk about smart elements. And today Anna, a member of our team, will be helping me and will be answering all your questions via chat. That's why do not hesitate to write to our YouTube chat and we will try to answer your questions. Okay, guys, so let's start. And let's talk about routine actions. So creating a new email template for newsletters, you often have to do the same actions. For example, you have a website where products are published, yeah? If you have, so for example, if you need to send an email about the promotion with a link to 5 products from your site, you need to download 5 pictures, their product names, their descriptions, their prices, and links to indicate them under the buy button. So these downloaded elements are usually applied in the letter several times. For example, the name of the goods is used 3 times in the field product names for title and alt text of the picture. The same goes for the link. We apply it for the button, for the price, for the picture, for the title, etc. And tomorrow the new action and again is necessary to repeat the steps described. And what if the goods are not 5 but 200, for example? As for me, it's a pain, isn't it? In order to reduce the loss of your time for performing routine operations, we created a new entity, a smart element that allows you to automate this process. So what is a smart element? Smart elements are a functionality designed by Stripo. It allows you to automate email production. This is a true time saver for those who build multiple product cards and email digest. You configure them once and use across numerous promo campaigns. In the previous webinar about smart elements, Alexander, my colleague, showed you how to work with our smart elements. So you needed to set internal and external rules, so that the system retrieves and pulls the correction information into respective elements of your email. but this time it's way easier to start using the smart elements. Our developers have simplified the use of smart elements. So, if your site contains OG tags, you just paste the link to the product and specify where exactly in the email certain information on the product should go. So it will take you under 5 minutes, really, just once. Next time when using the smart elements again, you will only need to copy the smart element and paste another link to the product with no configuration required. So here you can see a list of websites with which smart elements are compatible. Yeah, this is a list. And how do you check if your site contains smart elements? If your website is not on this list, you need to check if it supports the OG tags, Open Graph tags. And let's check if Sephora website supports the OG tags. So I have prepared this website. Click on it. Let's press F12 on our keyboard and search the OG tag inside our code. And let's write here OG tags. Yeah, so here you can see we found this OG tags, 6 OG tags. So as you understood, Sephora website supports the OG tags. If your site does not support the OG tags, please refer to our previous webinar with Alexander about smart elements configuration for the manual settings. For those whose website supports the OG tags, we have prepared a brief manual on how to configure smart elements, and let's consider it. Today I'm going to show you how to pull data from IKEA website. So I want to transfer data about this nice soft toy to my smart element, to my template. So I want to pull this image, this product name, its price, its description, and also I want to transfer this URL link of my product page. Okay, so let's do that. And the first step is designing a product card. Let's go to our Stripe account. And the first thing you need to do is build a product card with all the fields that you need. So I want to choose one of our prepared templates and add my smart product card 0. So go to the prepared folder. Here we have more than 800 different templates. So we filtered it by different times, like cold emails, discount, events, holidays, etc., by seasons, features, and industries. So I think you can choose a suitable template for yourself, customize it, or open an empty template and create your design from scratch. Besides here, you can find templates with built-in smart elements. So where you can find it, click on the feature filter and choose only smart elements. So here we have almost 50 templates with pre-built smart elements. So you can pick up any one. So let's test it. For example, choose this template and open it to check the smart elements. Waiting for a second. So this is our template, and here you can see 4 different product cards with flowers. The first one, the second, third, and fourth. So here you can see that this smart container is configured. So you can pass the link to this product from your website into the link input field. Let's do that. For example, let's copy the link from our IKEA page and paste it here and upload it. So waiting for a second, generation of our image. Perfect. As you can see, the information was put. We have our image, its product name, description, so it works. So you can use these prepared smart containers. Also, you can pick up our models with smart containers. So go to the pre-built folder, choose only product cards, and here you can see different product cards. Yeah. So for example, let's drop the first one. And this is a structure with one container. Yeah, and here you also could add your link from your website and generate your information. Yeah, perfect. But today I want to create my smart container from scratch. That's why let's go back to my Stripe account and pick up another template. Yeah, click on the new message button again. Again, prepare templates, and I want to find my template in towards the promo section. Yeah, so here you can see this template, it's for kids, so I want to use this one. So using our templates, you can customize, edit, delete any element of the template. Yeah, so this is our template, and I want to delete some content. So here we have built-in smart containers, but I want to change them. That's why I will delete it and create a new one. The same I will do with this content. Let's delete it, and I will delete this content. Also here you can replace any text, any image with your own. You can add more content, etc. But in my case, I will leave everything as it, because today we are talking about setting up smart elements. Now I want to add my smart elements here. So let's drop a structure with 2 containers. So it's up to you personally how many containers in the structure you need. So here we have structure with 2 containers. You can add 3 containers if you want to show 3 product cards in one row. Yeah. So to my structure, I will add more paddings to the bottom. Good. Done. So in the first container, I will add the blocks necessary for me. It's image block, 3 text blocks, and button. So I will do such a skeleton of the goods card. So let's do that. The first one is the image block. So here into this image block, I will put the image of my panda. Yeah. So we need to upload any image you want. Anyway, it doesn't matter because it will be replaced with the image from your website. Then I want to add a text block where I will pull my product name. So let's rename it like product name and customize it. So let's make central alignment. I will change its text color to this one. Now let's choose another font style to Georgia. I will increase its size maybe to this one. Yep. And also I want to add more paddings to the top and bottom. So you can customize text as you want. Then I need to add another text block for my description. And again, let's customize it. So I will pick up maybe this color. Again, central alignment. Also, I will use Georgia font style. I will increase its size to 16, and that's all. And now let's add the third text block for our price. And write price here. Done. and customize it. Central alignment, maybe color, I will pick up the dark blue, dark green, sorry. Again, Georgia font style, and increase its size and make it as bold. Perfect. And also I will add paddings to the top and bottom. And the last thing, I need to add the button to this container. So this button will contain a link to the website with the product, yeah? So let's customize this button. Let's rename it, for example, buy now. Good. Now I want change its text color to this one. What else? And change the color of my border. Yeah, perfect. And maybe add more paddings to the left and right side. Perfect. So our skeleton of our product card is ready. So please be advised that current integration with those websites who support the OG tags retrieves data as follows: product name, description, image, and URL for button. Such information like prices, old prices, and other you can add manually and set their external rules. So I added the price field into the product card, and I will show you later how to edit it for the smart container. Yeah. So now click any block and go one step higher to the container. Go to the container, enter the data tab, and click the begin button. Perfect. So the smart configuration is connected to our container. So let's go to the second step, smart elements configuration. In the configuration tab here on the left side, add necessary variables by clicking the plus icon. So here we have different variables. The system will add these variables automatically. So I'm going to use name variable for my product name, description for my description, price for my price, and image. So you can add as many as you want. Now click on the name variable and copy this variable from this field and paste it into the name field here. So they totally match each element. So it is important, you need to repeat it. Go to the description and again copy this description variable and put it into the name. Now to do the same with the price, copy and paste to the name. And the last thing with the image, copy and paste. Excellent. And the next step is setting the matching rules. So I have good news. Stripe is on the external rules, so you will have to manually set only internal ones. So you do not need to set these external rules. And let's start with the URL. If we set rules correctly for the URL, I mean internal settings, yeah, internal rules, the link to your product page will be added to the product image and into the button, into your product card, by clicking which users will be redirected to a respective page on your website, yeah, where they will be able to buy your product. So to set internal rules for the URL, we need to add a letter to the CSS selector, and we need to write href to the attribute section. Let's write it. Yeah, this one. So you can repeat it with your smart element. Done. Now let's go to the product name. So if we set rules correctly, the product name will be automatically put in into your email from your website. So to do that, we need to copy the variable pname, copy it, and paste into our CSS selector. And when we are using classes, we need to add the dot at the beginning of your class. So add the dot here. Done. Now click on the product name block, open your code editor, and here we need to add class p name into our p tag. So here you can see p tag, and here we need to add our class. Let's type class, and here paste our p name class. Yeah, perfect. Good job. Go back to our smart configuration and go to the description. Again, copy p description variable, enter it to the CSS selector and add the dot at the beginning. Now click on the description block, open its code editor, and again add the class to the p tag. Type class and add our p description class. Good. Do the same with the price. Configuration, our price, copy the variable p price, paste it here, add the dot at the beginning, click on the price block, open its code editor, and add the class to the p tag. Class p price. Good. And now we need to repeat it with our image block. Configuration, p image, copy the variable, paste it here, add the dot at the beginning, and when we want to transfer the image, we need to add src attribute. src. Good. Click on the image block, open the code editor, and add our class p image to the image tag. So here we have adapt image class. Let's add space and add our class p image. Done. Perfect. So good job. And the next step is pasting your URL. Let's close our code editor and go back to our smart configuration. Yeah. So now we have configured our smart element, and we may paste the link to the product into the link input field. It doesn't matter if you choose the configuration, or the appearance tab. The input field is mutual for these two tabs. So go to our IKEA, copy the main URL link, and paste it here. And let's upload it. Waiting. Perfect. So as you can see, the data was pulled correctly from our IKEA site. But as you can see, the price didn't transfer. It's because using our updated smart elements, we can transfer only name, description, image, and URL. So we need to edit our price. So as we previously mentioned, current integration with those sites who support OG text does not allow retrieving prices via the smart elements. So we will set our external rules for the price manually. Go to the configuration, click on the price, and we need to enter the external tab and set our unique CSS selector. To pass the price from our website, we need to find unique ID class of our price, to give our system an idea of what price needs to be transferred. But please be advised that it requires more technical knowledge of the HTML. So to do that, go back to our IKEA website, click F12 on your keyboard. Now click on this element to inspect the code and find our unique element within code. So let's highlight our price. This is our price, which I want to transfer into my email template. So here we can see its class. Let's check if it's unique or not. Copy it, click Ctrl F on your keyboard and paste this class in the search box. So as you can see, we have 18 identical classes. So I'm not going to use this unique class. That's why I need to choose another one. Again, highlight our price. And I will go higher to find another class. So here we have different classes, and let's check this one. Copy its class, copy, and again paste it to the search box. And we have two similar classes. Here you can see this is the first one and the second one. So our classes is the first one, which you can see the price. Okay, so I will copy this class and paste to our smart configuration. Go back to our template and add it to the external CSS selector. Paste it, and do not forget put the dot at the beginning of your classes. Done. And as you remember, we have two different or two similar classes inside our IKEA website. Yeah. In this case, we need to make the system understand that we need to pull data from the first class. Yeah. To do this, we need to place a selector, and I will use the first child selector. So the system will pull a data from the first class. So let's write first child. Good. And let's update and check if it works. Yeah. Doesn't working. Let's change again. So go to this website, and this is our class. Copy it. Dot. Put our class and write first child. And again update it. Let's check if we edit our price. Per price, yeah, it works. We have this class. Go to our IKEA page configuration and check what the issue could be. Per price, yeah. External first child. Oh, sorry, we need to check it to this one. And let's update it. Yeah, perfect, excellent. So it was my mistake. Good. So in this case, we found unique class, yeah, and add first child to understand the system that we need the first class, not the second one. Excellent. As you can see, it works. And let's go to the preview to see if our button works. Yeah, if I click to the button, I will be redirected to the page where I can buy this toy. And let's check if the URL of image works. Excellent, it works again. Okay, so now how we can make copies of our smart container. Select the smart container, make a copy and paste it here. Yeah, and I want to use another product. So let's choose, for example, this lion. Copy the link of this product card and replace the general link of the second container to the new one. Waiting. Perfect. So we configured our smart elements in the right way. Good. So for future, you can save this container, smart container, or the whole structure as a model. This way, yeah. Here you can give any name to this structure, for example, smart test. Here you can write model description, choose a category, like a set of product cards, for example, and save it. It means that you can drop this structure within your project into another email template and use it, yeah? So this way. I can drop it here. So now I have 4 product cards and I can replace my product cards. So if I choose another toy, maybe a tiger, copy the link and replace this link. Something wrong for a second. And change this link. Good. So we built our tiger here. And it's priced. Yeah, perfect. So that's it. And following these simple steps, you can save your time for routine operations, create your smart container and use it for your campaigns. And the last thought that I want to convey to you is that Smart Elements option does speed up email production, especially for e-commerce, businesses, and promo emails quite often. Yeah, that's why we created this feature to save your time. So that's all about high level how to create smart container that I wanted to show you today. So if you have any questions, please type to our chat and I will try to answer you. Thank you. So as I see, we do not have any questions. So I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for your attention and see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.